What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Dyack. I am a HVAC contractor and master plumber in the states of Florida, South Carolina, and in New York. Today I'm taking you on a service call on Long Island for an existing residential client. They have water dripping from the second floor ceiling. We haven't been to this property in 5 years. Want to take a guess what's going on? Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below when you're done watching the video. Let's go!
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So, system's off?
Yes. So it's I have two cats, but you won't do anything.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's been off. This happened Friday, but I was away for the weekend.
Okay.
So when it happened, I turned it off. So I could show you upstairs in my son's room.
Let me take a quick peek to see what's going on. I'll check outside and make sure everything's normal out there too. 2 cats. Cool.
Yes. Good. So this is where it was like a big bubble. So we like
poked it.
and then water came like pouring out. I have a video and it like filled up to like here.
Okay.
And yeah. So.
Okay. I have to go up to the attic, but let me check outside first. And the attic hatchet is where? I don't remember.
It's in my master closet, so I
Okay.
like moved some stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So I will get a ladder, and let me check outside first.
Okay.
All right. Got 2 systems here. It's a 42, so it's a 3.5 ton. And this one here also 24. No, 42. Also a 3.5 ton, 42,000 BTUs. I'm pretty sure we installed these for her after Hurricane Sandy. We elevated them because everything got submerged here. All right. Coil looks pretty decent on both. Good. All right. Yep. Okay. Let's go check the attic. All right. That's a good question. Well, let's go investigate. Let's go there. Well, there's water in the condensate pan, the emergency drain pan. Let me carefully walk on the OSHA approved plywood here. Oh yeah. I'm surprised the float switch didn't activate. I guess because this thing was not really in deep enough. It's been sitting there for a while. It's been leaking for a while. Just checking out the service history. 2020, the last time we were here. All right, got the vacuum. I got a bucket with what I need, and I got the knee pads. Let's make our way over there. Hope I got everything I need, because this is annoying. you subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? See, I'm feeding you people. Subscribe. All right, let's get the vacuum set up. I got a nice fully charged battery in there. I'm gonna cut that pipe right here. And we're gonna throw a union in. And then I'm gonna vacuum out the line. And we'll see how this goes. Now I'm gonna pre-prime the pipe. One less step to deal with in case I have tons of water coming back at me. I gotta prime the union. Okay, good. Let's close that up. We don't want that spilling anywhere. Okay. We should be all right here. Or not. Wow, there's really like not enough room here. Okay. Coming out of there. Okay, I'm going to block that up. This little plug right here. Forcing the vacuum of the trap here. Yep. Kind of clog there. Keep that on there right there for right now. Let's take off this front panel. Take a look at this coil. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, that's why you don't neglect service. Wow, that is disgusting. Oh my God. That's disgusting. Not that it's going to really help that much with the mold that's growing on here, but something's better than nothing. There you go. Excellent. All right, next, we're gonna add a float switch to this drain, the secondary drain. Okay. I got this condensate cup. The CS1. I'm going to connect it right there. So if that drain pan ever gets full, alright, it'll turn off the system. Alright, I have the condensate alarm connected, wired. I plugged the emergency drain pan drain. The emergency pan will never be an issue again. If this pan builds up water, that's gonna turn off the system. So I gotta dump the water and turn on the system and test with water. All right, last trip up there. We're gonna spray some of that nasty stuff down with the spray 9. And I have a bottle of water to test. And you'll see how I know the drain line is good in a little bit. Let's turn the power off first. I know this is not the greatest, but it's better than nothing. Okay, and okay, let's get the cover back on and head on downstairs. All right. Cover's back on. Let's go make sure the drain is good. All right. All right. We good. She's draining. And don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, winter is coming. And if your husband is cold, better get the furnace fixed. 516-295-2448. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.